Did God really tell you not to eat from the tree? The snake that tricked Eve is now trying to trick me. Go on, watch it. You're in isolation. There's nothing wrong with a bit of porn and masturbation. God understands it's a global situation. Coronavirus is affecting every nation. Tell God it's research. You're working on that book. A few videos won't hurt. Just take a look. If it's a work computer, just use your phone. No one will catch you. You're all alone. Ha! Everyone is doing it. It's not a mystery. After you watch it, just delete your history. The same snake that tempted Eve back in the day is still working full time, tricking Christians today. He's a liar, a fraud, a sneaky little rat. He's trying his best this season, but don't fall for that. God bless you. God keep you. Stay strong. God love you. God love you. I love you. God love you. God love you.